how you can achieve this beautiful style. Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are just joining us, I am Perpetua. So guys, today I want to be showing you guys how to do Faux locks. If you know you find it difficult achieving this beautiful hairstyle, please keep watching. I know before the end of this video you will learn how to achieve this wonderful hairstyle. First off, start by braiding our hair. You are not braiding your hair completely to like half, okay? Yes, this point is okay. Then we'll go in with our extension. The extension I'm using here is kinky extension, so I prefer using this kinky because it gives it the natural locks look. Okay, so first start by tying our hair to the roots. When we're done tying, you can see how I pull out little part of the hair with my thumb. Yes, I'll put, then tie it that way. I'll remove my hand. That way you are giving it that locks look. Okay, you tie it. When you go in with, when you tie, you remove your hand. Okay, you guys can see how I'm doing it here. That's how you keep doing it. Okay, if there's anything you don't understand, please don't fail to drop your question in the comment section. I will answer all your questions. Okay, so as you're going, please make sure you are doing it perfectly. Please, just your thumb and the extension, you get this Faux locks. You will surely get it. It's not difficult, guys. You can do it. Okay, you can do it. Just try, just a try, and you can do it. Who said you cannot do it? You can. Try it today and thank me later. Okay, so that's how you do it till you get to the end. When you get to the end, you wrap the remaining hair around your hair. Okay, you see how you do it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please, let's grow together. Okay, we'll surely get there. So guys, that's how you keep doing it till you get to the length that you want, your preferred length. Then you wrap the hair around. You guys can see how I did that at the end. Yeah, yes guys, you have your beautiful hairstyle. This is the Faux locks. So tell me, would you like to try this hairstyle on your customer? Tell me in the comment section, guys. This hair is looking beautiful, guys. It's looking wonderful. This hair looks amazing. Thank you for watching, guys. Please stick around because I'll be dropping hot hairstyles for you guys. Watch the next video, guys. Thank you.